Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js Dropbox. Today we are going to learn about syncing files from the local directory to the Dropbox. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So currently we have this uploads directory folder. So I want to sync all of these files to my Dropbox. So we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's dive into the code level. So first demo. So here we go with this one. Just let me just hide this. Okay. And too many write operations are there. File uploaded. Let's have a look. So here you can see that the files are uploaded. Okay. So here you can see, refresh this. So basically where we have the too many writes, too many retry after one, so I think we should give something sleep so that it will upload. Okay, so here you can see that the files are uploaded. See, first file, second file, third file, and the rest of the files need some space for the retry. Okay, so we will do a sleep time over here, but the files are syncing from local to the Dropbox. Let's have a code on that one. So here you can see that the fs path Chowkidar for monitoring the file changes, Dropbox. So initialize the Dropbox instance with your SS token, local directory to synchronize with the Dropbox. So this is my local directory, and this is destination directory in the Dropbox. Okay, rate limiting, that is zero variables. Uploading turnover should be 1 second. So I have mentioned sync to Dropbox. Okay, so here we have the Chowkidar.watch local directory. Like this is basically happen when we have to upload any kind of file in the local directory and I want to sync from the Dropbox so in that case, Chowkidar is used for watching the files, which files have been uploaded, so they can directly upload that to the Dropbox. Okay, so watcher dot add sync local file upload file. If there is any change in the file, then upload that file. So basically I'm just uploading the folders to the Dropbox. Okay, syncing from the local directory to the Dropbox, and if something goes wrong, it may show me the error. And the function to upload a file to the Dropbox with the rate limiting. So here we have this one. Okay, so read the file content. This is basically the file path Dropbox directory, and here we have read the file content, perform the rate limiting, date, current timestamp, elapsed time. Okay, wait for the remaining time to meet the upload interval, and resolve with the set timeout and the timeout over here. Okay, or you can make a timeout like 200 seconds. Okay, files uploaded content. Let's try to run it again and just delete this one. Select all, delete. Okay, let's try to run again. Clear. Okay, I think which file name is there? Local to Dropbox, right? Enter. Still, I think there is only how many files we get? We get the files, right? I think the retry would be after one, so we should make something so that it will upload all the files. Okay, this is the way that you can upload the local directory files to the Dropbox. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.